What's good, Rag Squad? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we do have a new car. So this is the Kia K5, 2025 Kia K5 GT line. We still have the BMW as well. This is just our second car, at least the wife needed a car. So we ended up grabbing this one as our second car. If you want to see a full review on this one, that video will be up shortly. So you can go ahead and check that one out. But yeah, this is a 2025 Kia K5 GT line. And today, I just got this box from LASFIT. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of their LASFIT liners and review it, install them in the vehicle, and I'll give you guys my full review on it. So I just opened the box. Like I said, it just got here. My car currently has, these carpet liners in here. You can see, so those liners are gonna become really handy in protecting the inside of the vehicle. So this is what they look like. Pop these out, and this is the back seats. It's obviously joined one piece, which makes it much easier to actually handle as well. I'll get this off. There we go. One big piece for the rear, and obviously has a little center pass through. Most companies usually don't give you mats with this, so I appreciate that actually, because that just protects the little center tunnel, the drive shaft tunnel, where it's like if you bring someone in the middle, their feet is always under the carpet and it gets really dirty. Now we have our front seat, passenger seat. It's really great material actually. It's pretty thick, and then I love the fact that it has these little grooves in it. So like if you pour water on it, it won't fall out onto your actual carpet. And then even if you do try to put it in where it has this little hole, it won't fall through because it has these little rings around it as well. And obviously the LASFIT branding. Again, this is like a PVC material. It's pretty thick, really thick actually. And you can probably see the thickness of it at the side right there. So yeah, I'm excited for these. I have these in my BMW as well, so I know they work. And then the back of it has these little ridges and kind of like little dimples on it to stick into the actual carpet of the vehicle so they don't move out of place. But so far they feel really good. They're actually heavy, kind of really good material. I like it. Here is our passenger or driver's seat liner. And you obviously get like a user manual with your warranty and all that kind of stuff. And for this one, obviously, like I said, it fits perfect. It will fit perfect. It has little grooves and cutouts to fit perfectly inside the vehicle. Nice design on this one as well. The passenger seat doesn't have that one, but great design. And lastly, inside the box, we have the one for the trunk liner. So that is the trunk liner. And I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, install all these to show you how they fit. And the quality so far, again, is probably the most impressive part about it. This is our trunk liner. Obviously, it has a little creases and stuff in it right now. That's because it was in a box and it's not fully setting yet, but I'm pretty sure once it sets in, it will fit perfectly. But so far, you can obviously see that it fits the trunk perfectly. And it goes all the way up to the seats, so therefore like nothing will like spill on your actual carpets inside. And again, it's pretty thick. It's has ridges on it as well, so like stuff won't slide around. I like it. I really like it. And for the quality of these, the price is actually really good. So just go ahead and head over to LASFIT's website and check it out. Grab yourself a full bundle of this. It comes with, obviously, like I said, the front liners, the rear seats, and the trunk liner. So here it is, the LASFIT liners for the 2025 Kia K5 GT. You can see inside, it covers the dead pedal on the driver's side, which is good. The only part really left exposed is just your gas pedal, the accelerator, and that's it. But everything else is really covered, nothing is exposed. And then the main thing is that they actually fit into the OEM anchor points inside the vehicle. So these little circles right here, they fit exactly where the OEM mats would fit. So no modification needed, nothing cut. You don't have to cut anything. All you use is take from plastic and install it. They're literally as simple as that. So that is how they look inside here. And for the rear, that's how they look inside the rear. So no cuts, nothing divided, nothing split. Just one simple mat in the rear, goes across both seats. And the edges, they come up a pretty good, honestly about 2 to 3 inches. They come up on the sides. That way it keeps on liquid and water inside if you should spill anything back here. Again, these are perfect because this is my wife's car, or predominantly her car. So with my little toddler back here, obviously she's gonna spill stuff. So this is just perfect. She spills stuff, he was gonna clean it up, and nothing is like left on the carpet or anything. So again, great for your family vehicles. If you want some of these mats, go and check them out. Cool little LASFIT laser liner, LASFIT laser etched logo on here, I should say. So yeah, that's how they look. And then the passenger side, I'll show you that real quick. This is how they look on the passenger side. Again, the same thing. And these ones extend pretty far up for your passengers, like all the way up there. And same thing, your OEM anchor points, and everything fits just perfect. I like it. Obviously, I'm expecting it to like stretch and expand a little bit more to kind of completely seal these little edges. But that's obviously, like I said, they just came from the box. They're new, so eventually they will fit like perfect and seamless inside here. But yeah, that's it for the LASFIT liners. I'll leave a link in the description. If you want some of these, go ahead and check it out. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share the video. So I'll go ahead and put those links in the description now. There is currently a sale on LASFIT's website. So if you want some of these liners, be sure to check it out. Go tap the link in the description and head to their website. Grab yourself some of these. Again, they're pretty durable. I know because I have some. So go ahead and check them out. These are probably some of the best mats you can find, other than all the competitors who are, the prices are outrageous. So these ones, for the price, it's definitely worth it. You have the trunk liner, you get the two driver and passenger, and then you have the rear. So go ahead and check it out. Grab some of these for your vehicles. And they also have these for other vehicles as well, not just Kia. They have for Hyundai, BMWs, Honda, Nissan. Go to their website, check it out, find the one that fits your vehicle, and let me know if you like it. So that's it for the video, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Thanks. Leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.